What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we have a really cool one for you. Let me make sure my mic's picking them up here. I'll put my mic right there. That should be fine. So today we are looking at the Phenyx Pro PTU-6000. This is a really awesome all-in-one 8-channel wireless microphone system. This is really cool for schools, churches, any large events where you're going to need multiple artists, like if you're a band or a group of singers, a choir, things like that. This is 8 microphones with like 320 something feet range each, so it's going to pick up really clear audio in most general setups. So this is going to take a couple videos to actually finish up because we want to get these not just unboxed but tested as well, so definitely keep an eye out for those. Before we get started, definitely want to give a huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. Geeks Outfit is a really cool company that sells technology and geek related t-shirts, apparel, and accessories. I've got a bunch of their stuff. Definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, let's get straight to the unboxing of the Phenyx Pro PTU-6000. So the first thing we have here is a bunch of mics. Let's take a little look at the mic itself. So we do have a power button. We have a cap on the bottom that we can go ahead and open up here and see what's inside. So this is the standard transmitter. Let's go ahead and unscrew this as well. Let's take the whole thing apart. And it looks like here we just have a spot to put a battery. So there isn't XLR in this at all. This is a standalone unit. Let's go and see what's on the other side too. Why not? I'm curious. Cool. So a pretty interesting design there. Let me go ahead and put it closer to the camera. I don't think you can see it, but there's 4 pins and they are pressure sensitive so that it can simply make contact with this regardless of which way it's screwed in. As long as it's screwed in all the way, it will make contact with those pins. So that's pretty nice. Let me go ahead and close this up, and I'll take the rest of the mics out and find the batteries and get these in there as well. All right, so microphone 2 is here. Microphone 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 microphones here, completely wireless, that can all be used at the exact same time. This is 8 channels. And don't think that it only works with these mics either. Phenyx has a huge line of different microphones. Let me actually show you the box here. So if we look at the back, not only do they have cases, but they actually have lapel mics and other wireless mics as well. So there's definitely a lot you can do with this type of system, and they're all compatible with each other. So you can literally just like get wireless lapel mics later on if you want. You can mix and match, do all that good stuff. It's a really cool setup. So we have the owner's manual here. Definitely want to keep this saved somewhere so you can look through and figure out all these settings should you need to. We have some accessories here. So the fun stuff, we have a 1/4 inch cable with an adapter to a 3.5 millimeter mono as well. So we do have some flexibility to the output of this device, so we can have it output to speakers or things like that. Nice that they included the adapter as well. That's pretty cool. We have the power cord for the device, obviously. We've got 16 AA batteries, so they give you enough batteries to power. Actually, I think each one of these only takes 1, so they actually give you double the amount of batteries. I may take that back if something else needs batteries, but I believe each one of these takes 1 battery. Let me double check actually. No, it might take 2. Yeah, it does take 2, so we're gonna drop one of these in and then drop another one of these in, and that's going to get it started. So yeah, they gave us 16 batteries to cover the 8 microphones. Very cool. We can see that it immediately loads up group 2 channel 7 full battery, and it has an infrared reader. And again, you can use standard rechargeable AA batteries for this as well, but they do provide you with alkaline non-rechargeable batteries for now, so good enough. Now we have 4 antennas here. So these are going to go in the back of the unit to add some range. Of course, any device is going to have some range on its own, but adding antennas will definitely extend that and enable the 300 foot range that they tout. Yeah, 328 foot range. All right, and this final set, these are really cool. So these are actually colored holders, so you can place these on each mic and each one will have a different color. That way on stage, nobody is getting their microphones mixed up because they all have a different color attached. Love to see that kind of thoughtfulness in the accessories that they provide. And now the main event. This is a 1U rack-mountable audio interface here. And here we go. The Phenyx Pro. It's all metal enclosure with rack mount options on the side. We've got screens that will go ahead and tell you what's connected and what's not. We have individual volume knobs for each microphone, so you can control it right here without needing any kind of third-party interface or mixer or anything like that. You can actually control the audio of each one right on the front of the device itself. Looking at the back, we do have our antenna ports here, which all we have to do is push this in and turn, and you've got a antenna mounted. You can put all 4 of these on here and you're good to go. You've got a ultra high range 8 output wireless system here. In the back, we do have our power port and a mixed output. That's what this cable's for. You would plug in that mixed output and you'll get an output to your device. Alternatively, there are individual XLR outputs. So we have an AF output balanced 1 through 8 here. So you do have XLR outputs here, so you can use it for any other sort of mixing you want to do as well. But yeah, absolutely great, kind of all-in-one unit here. It's expandable, so you can add it to your existing track systems, but it can also work completely in line with itself, so you don't need anything else to run it. Now, there's a lot going on with this setup, so I'm gonna make another video testing it out, checking out the sound quality and all that good stuff. Let me know what you'd like to know about this system in the comments below. That way when I do record that video, I can make sure to answer those questions to the best of my abilities. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and hope you have a good one. Peace.
That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,